Check. 1, 2. Good evening, everybody. This is 88 Fantastic coming to you June 20th, 2019 with just live price action as we have seen Bitcoin absolutely blow through the roof and the market blow up since this morning's video. So you know what? I figured every time I come on and fucking complain about something, it always happens or the change happens at some point. So why don't we come on and cheer for BTC to encroach that $9,800 mark live as we're on here. And our market cap is that close to hitting 300 billion. And that would be our, not only our 2019 peak, but that will also be our, 1 year peak from June of 2018 until current price right now. So we're just going to sit back and we're going to watch this price and we're going to see what the price of Bitcoin's doing. As you can see, it's had just a humongous gain since this morning's video that we did at 11 o'clock this morning. Currently 8 o'clock now. So basically in 9 hours, as you see, Bitcoin's gone up well over $400. Got to have a smoke for this one. Light one up, people. Anyways, this is what I like to see here. We're watching the price go back and forth, and we're seeing it just in little tiny amounts right now. And we're just going to keep going back and forth until we hit that 300 billion mark on one of these. On one of these. Because, again, that's a milestone for us. We haven't been at that point since probably last May of 2018. So 300 billion is the new benchmark right now. And as we've talked about, with lines of support getting stronger through this summer, and officially bucking the trend of dumping really hard all throughout June, and we only saw it on June the 3rd, and that was it. So now we're sitting on the 20th, 17 days from the last big massive dump. Now everyone's starting to hold strong. Now the fight's beginning. So let's see here how high we can get. Look at that huge jump, 97.72. Come on, that's got to be getting close. Come on. Still 298.3 on here. Come on, get that refresh. Let's go. 299.4. So we're getting closer. Another 600 million. Come on, let's go. 600 million more. Probably get us up to, if we can hit that 97.85, 97.90, that might put us up to our $300 billion mark. Again, the only top five here is what's constantly refreshed. Watch the update times down here. So don't be fooled by the prices from EOS down. They're just not refreshed as fast as the top five on this site are. So come on, let's get up to 97.80 before we look at the next screen, and then we want to see that 300 billion, because that's what I was complaining. I wasn't complaining about it this morning, but that was like that next level in the market we continually got stuck at was 291 billion, and we were bouncing all the way to it and then bouncing backwards literally for about 10 days now. Come on, 3 more bucks, 2 more bucks, 2 more bucks. Let's go. 98. Come on. I love this. Come on, 2 more bucks. 97.80. Let's go. Come on, baby. Break out that whip. One in the arse. Let's go. 97.77. Let's see if we're getting close to our 300 yet. That one still hasn't updated. It's still at the same. Coin market cap is also the same, so we'll give it another couple of minutes here. That is just crazy. The absolute growth of Bitcoin. And again, with the stronger lines of support with the sales, when the Bitfinex and Binance news with the U.S. citizens had come out last week or so, if this would have happened last year in June of 2018, we probably would have fell all the way back down to 100 billion and a Bitcoin price of probably $3,500 again. That's the difference in the knowledge that people have gained in this space in the last 1 year, and we've talked about that numerous times about the round one of dummies and the round two dummies getting out of here so that people can actually get in and understand what's going in this market, and rather than getting punished, just put your money into Bitcoin and be happy with it, right? Okay, still holding between 70 and 75 right now. See if we get any updates yet. Come on, we are pushing for that 300 billion mark, 299.24. So we got a little bit of love on that side. Back over here, still the same. There it is. Come on. Oh, what a jump. $11 gouge. That's what we like to see right now. We're not going back and forth this $1 and $2 stuff. We're going to start seeing some big numbers. There we go. 70. 97.80. Come on, baby. Make that push. Go straight up to 90 now. Let's go. There it was too. 97.92. Briefly touched. We are going to push right through 98 here at some point. And then again, that's what we had, not a last video, but a few videos we were talking about the contract gap between 11,000 and 17,000 with BitMEX and CME right now. So, I mean, that's one of those, we might see that November, December panic in maybe in a couple of days if it keeps going like this. Who knows, right? So if everyone's bidding at 11,000 right now, wowzers. That's something where it actually might go from 11,000 to actually that 16, 17,000 mark in a couple of days. And then watch everybody get speed backed all the way back down to, you know, whatever we settle in at here, probably, you know, 97, 98, somewhere in that range. So come on, don't slow down now. You went back 15 bucks. Get going back 9,800. Let's go. We want to see a 300 billion market cap, and then we'll get out of here. That's what I'm staying for. I want to see that number at 300. We haven't seen that in over a year. It's been 13 months minimum since we've saw it, and they still haven't updated it yet. Come on. Oh, we slid back a few bucks. So let's see who's moving on the 24 hours over here. And again, yoy. Again, everybody that got love, what have we been saying every day this week? Everybody gets love in the green, right? And the next day, that'll be them. So tomorrow, these guys here will be these guys right here. Because yesterday and the day before, these were all your pumpers, right? $97.73. Oh, that fight between 70 and 80 right now. Oh, there's the dump. Couple bucks backwards. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Ramp it up. We're that close. We're literally touching 299. Come on, baby. We just want to see 300. We don't want to turn this into a 4-hour video. But still, so now we're seeing it below 70 now. Now down to 67. But this is what I love about the live prices. And then you can see how everything else. So last night, what we were seeing was Ethereum at the 266 to 268 mark, and it just kept going between 266 and 268 before it got all that love, literally in about the last 3 hours. Ripple hasn't been saying too much of this pump in the last little bit. Same with Litecoin. Litecoin last night was in the 134, 136 range. BCH has gotten Bcash has gotten some love as well. Now we see the price starting to slide back a little bit. Come on, we were that close. We were that close to touching 300 billion. Where are we at now? Come on, CMC. Bloody slow when you load the whole market. Still at 299.2. $299.8. Oh, we're so close. Come on, baby. And Bitcoin is scaling backwards. Come on, bulls. Make that one last little push. Let's go. Come on, bulls. Make a little push. We were at 97.92 briefly, Luke. We literally touched 97.92. Come on, baby. That close. $400 plus on the day. Loading that whole screen is what's taking it so long. 299.8. Let's see our 24-hour volume, what we're seeing right now. And you know what's sketchy? I mean, look at the 24-hour volume. Look how much we're increasing right now. And the volume earlier from the last 2 months, we were in that 25 to 30 billion nonstop. And we're at, see what I mean? Now it's at 62. Where's Tether? Just behind Bitcoin. So as long as Tether stays in that 2 spot, we're dancing. We're always dancing as long as Tether's in that 2 spot. The other stable coins really can't count because they're really in that 100 million range. They're not even close to $1 billion yet. So right now in 24-hour volume, these would be your top 10. Bitcoin, Tether 2, Ethereum 3, Litecoin 4, EOS 5, BCH 6, XRP 7, Ethereum Classic 8, Binance Coin 9, and Tron would actually be in your number 10 spot based on 24-hour volume. Still at 299.8. Oh man, now the price is going backwards. Come on. Don't tease. Don't tease. Push it up one more time. We want to see touch 98. Come on. And we want to see it touch 300 billion. $299.48 on there. Still 299.8 there. We need the price to push one more time. One more time. We want to see 97.8, and it's going backwards now. We came out, we gave it some attention. Now it's getting some. Now it's getting some correction. So while that's going backwards, let's go have a look at our charts over here. Hopefully I was able to format my screen a little bit better so you guys can actually see that 200-day average on here. And if you can't see it, I do apologize again, but all you got to do is when you're over Coin Checkup, come over to Customize Table right here, and you can add and subtract whatever you want in here. But for me, that's just a great way to show long-term investors if you had bought before that day while the market was really, I mean, we're still in a really low market, even though all of the excitement of the price. The market itself at just about 300 billion is still extremely small. And again, the only one we haven't seen that hasn't had any traction literally in the last 7 months has been Stellar. It's still at minus 20%. And then let's see, how far back do we got to go down to see no gains? How far down do we got to see absolutely no gain? Would be 0x. So other than Stellar and 0x from 1 to 43 has gained in the last 200 days. Stellar and 0x are the only two things in the top 43 that have gone backwards in 6 months. So let's keep going back and looking. AE Eternity, oh, that's only at 1%, but still, you've had no love over 6 months and you're flat. Who else we got in here? Let's just keep scrolling down. Golem, 8% back over the last basically 7 months, 200 days, minus 8. And Project Pi. Look at that, minus 30% over the last 200 days at the 98 spot. But that tells you how solid the market is, and our lines of support have constantly been getting that people are getting a little bit smarter now. People aren't getting so scared to sell off and rip something apart on social media. Now we see people have been holding, and the long-term value, you're going to see that. So come on, baby, let's go. We're at 97.40 now. Ethereum scaling back. There we go. Come on, push, 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 push. We want to see a 300 million cap. Oh, and there we lost. See, we went from 299.8. We lost 500 million in about 6 minutes. So we'll give this 4 more minutes. It's 8:26 here. I'll give this to 8:30. I was hoping to catch that 3. I really wanted to be on and catch that 300 mark. I know CoinGecko has it over 300 right now. Excuse me. But again, as we showed in this morning's video, CoinGecko has got, just in EOS alone, there was $1 billion in, so again, their 24-hour volume, they got them at 3.2 billion per 24-hour. EOS over here is at 2.1. Again, there's a full $1 billion in 24-hour volume from CoinGecko to CoinMarketCap and CoinCheckup just in EOS. Let's see, Cardano was at 172. This was another one, 172 over here. 24-hour volume on Cardano from 172 to 300,000. So again, that's another 120 million in mysterious volume that Cardano was showing. So that's already 1.5 billion on CoinGecko that we're not seeing on CoinMarketCap or CoinCheckup itself. There we go. Come on, push, push. Back up to 97.50. Let's go. One more time. We got 3 more minutes. We want to see 9,800. There we go, 97.47. Push, push, push. Come on, baby. We want to see 9,800 and a $300 billion market cap for the first time in 2019. Again, CoinGecko's got it at 301.5, but we just showed you over $1.5 billion in volume that doesn't even show up on 2 other exchanges. So we don't know what's going on with that. That's why we're going to stick with these 2 here. Okay, so still no update, so we'll stay over here live. 97.50. Come on, baby. 97.51. Let's go. We got 2.5 more minutes. Ain't staying on here all damn night. Let's go. Come on, Bulls. Push that bugger right up to 9,800. We want to see a 300 billion cap for the first time in 2019. Let's go. 299.5. Still no update on CMC yet. 97.52. There we go, baby. Come on. Push it up. Get it back up to that fight between 70 and 80. What we want to see right now. We are the Bitcoin pom-poms right now. 780, 97.53. Let's go. We are the pom-poms. All one of us right now. Plus who's ever going to view this. I've never done this before. This is what I like to do, though. We should be running a live stream. You know what? If we can actually get it up to 100 subs, this is what we should be doing, is watching and talking price and yakking about projects live. That way people could feel a little more comfortable asking questions rather than adding something onto the comment section. Oh, come on, 97.53. Push, push, push. Right through 60. Next push right through 60. Let's see a $7 jump. Come on. 50 cents backwards. Refresh. Come on, 300. Still no refresh. Come on, Bitcoin. Be nice to see a healthy Ethereum push as well. We were at a 2.6, so we gained almost $13 since this morning. So I think we're at 266, 267 this morning. Ripple is just literally laying flat on its back. Okay, now this is what we saw last night a lot of. We saw a lot of Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash come back in very small amounts while the price of Bitcoin was pushing last night. Let's see if we start seeing that again here. We got about a minute and a half, and then I'm going to bug out of here. I want to see this thing push. We'll do a couple more refreshes. Come on, baby. Still 299 there. We had 299.5. Still 299.5. One more push. Come on, Bitcoin. It's 8:30 right now. I should cut this off. Come on, BTC. So the highest price we've seen since we started the video, we've seen Bitcoin at 99,792. It briefly touched that, scaled instantly back to 97.80, and then the fight was on between 70 and 77, and now we see the fight between 40 and 50, 97.40 and 97.50 right now. I just don't want to get off of here. This feels too good. Come on, let's have a refresh. Oh, and then now we're sitting literally at 299 over here. Shit. That sucks. But went up a couple dollars there. So we'll see what Bitcoin does here. If Bitcoin hits 97.40, we're going to get out of here. If Bitcoin keeps pushing up, we're going to stay up. So as soon as, if it goes back to 97.40, we're going to end the video. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing. Come on. Let's see some big $12, $15 chunks here. 97.45, 97.44, 97.46. It's like a horse race. We got a 5-horse race right now. And right now, ETH. See what I mean? ETH has just been stale. Come on, we need a push on ETH too. Ripple's not getting any love. 43.70 over here for Ripple. Same. Pretty much the same. Still fighting at 97.44 and 97.45. Everyone's pushing it. Let's go. We saw 46. Get the 46. It'll push to 50. Come on. We want to do one more refresh on the other pages, and then we're going to get going here. Come on. 46. 46. Do I hear 50? Do we hear 97.50? Push. 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 97.48. Back down to 90. 46. Back to 48. $2 chunk up. Let's go. Let's see a healthy $15 chunk. Let's get up to 97.60 right here. Push. Still sitting at 97.46. Let's go give everybody a refresh one more time. We had lost $1 billion last time. Still hasn't refreshed. We're still sitting at 299. Still 299 too. Just get, there we go, 97.49. Keep going. Push. 97.50. There we go. Keep pushing. We want to hit 9,800 and a 300 billion cap. Come on, Bitcoin. Keep pushing, baby. Pom-poms are out. Don't make me do the splits here. 97.52. There we go. Keep going. 97.53. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Next update, we should be... Come on, 97.60. Let's go. This is where I need to start doing side screens of people dancing with their pom-poms. Let's get going. We need cheerleaders. 97.52. 97.53. Keep going, baby. Keep pushing. Seeing Bcash fighting at that 425 mark back and forth. Litecoin is literally stuck in no man's land. Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash right now, they are literally stuck in no man's land. The traders just, they're not sure if they want to take out and go into Bitcoin because they keep getting confused. Because who would expect Bitcoin literally start jumping up $200-$300 pretty much every day this week, right? 97.54, 97.55. Come on, baby. Let's go. I want to see it one time. Still no update here. We're still sitting at 299. And on this one, we went backwards 300 million. So we're still sitting at 299, literally across the board right now. I just don't want to get out of here. Let's check our 24-hour volume over here. Still the same. And we're right back over here. So we got 97.35 over here, 97.44 over here, and 97.52. Come on, let's get up to 97.60. Might get us back up there again now that we're starting to see. Come on, baby. Oh, Bitcoin Cash. Bcash still struggling to get back up to 4.25. Litecoin, it'd be really, if Litecoin can break that 140 mark, the floodgates might open. What was really strange is to see Ethereum, the high point for a little while was the 275 mark, and then to dump below 270. So it's a little bit strange to see it hit 280 and just kind of sit there flat. You would figure as soon as it hit that 280 mark, it might have jumped up a little bit more. Still see Bitcoin at $9,751. Time for another refresh. Still the same, 299. Still 299. Still at 97.50. Man, so much action and just literally slowed right down. Come on, man. Let's go. Push. 97.50. Push. No, I think it's going to be stale for a little while, and we don't want to be here on dragging up all night. But anyways, so again, in the last little bit here, the high point that we were able to see, I mean, 8:35 my time right now, was 9,792. It almost kissed 9,800. And then on the market cap over at CMC, we had gotten as high as 299.8, and the same over at Coin Checkup as well. So that's all I got for you guys. I was really hoping, I don't want to stay on all night, was hoping to see 9,800. That was as close as we got, and a 300 billion market cap, our high point for 2019, and our high point in the last calendar year as well. So this is 88, and you know what? We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Have a great night, by the way. 88 Fantastic, showing you how to take a bite out of the cryptocurrency market. Take care, y'all.